Machine Gun Alley here at SHOT Show 2020 at the Sands Convention Center in beautiful Las Vegas. I am here at my buddy Fix It Sticks booth. This is Jimmy right here, the giantest brain ever, okay? This guy can create some insane stuff that has just unlimited applications. But Jimmy's going to actually show you one of his newest things. Jim, I'm just going to let you take it away.
You got it.
Okay?
Here we go. So this is known as our all-in-one torque driver kit. And basically what it is you have a T-handle wrench. You have this part here, which is a torque driver. Pop that in there, and then you put any standard 1/4-inch bit in the end. And what you do is as you apply force, this line, which starts at 0, will start to move. And as it lines up with the different values, that's how much torque you'll be applying. The nice thing too is that if you go between the two hash marks, like between 35 and 45, you'll be applying 40 inch-pounds of force. So you could pretty much eyeball any value that you need. When you're done, just let go, it'll return to 0. And it packs up nice and small, so you'll always have it when you're out and about, at the range, in the field. If something comes loose, you'll be able to tighten it down to the correct torque spec.
And Jimmy, does this also have the Velcro to attach to the bag?
You know what? It doesn't actually have the Velcro, this one, but we do have space in it for a magnetic patch that we sell.
Oh, perfect.
So that'll fit right in there, and this will then hold any small screw or bit that you need. So when it's done, you just fold it back up, and that's all in there as well.
Have you guys ever seen such a small torque wrench? I haven't. How insane is this? I am super stoked. Now, if you know anything, on my YouTube channel, you have seen the Fix It Sticks videos that I've done, and you know how impressive this T-handle here is. So, anything that deals with Fix It Stick, you know that this is unique to them. So check out my YouTube channel if you haven't gone there and see the other videos on some of his other products and kits that he has. You will not be disappointed. Machine Gun Alley here at Fix It Sticks, SHOT Show 2020. Shoot safe, shoot true, shoot often, and remember, it's your right. Respect it and protect it.